Who's ready for a taste of Italy this holiday season? We're talking about the most delicious, most decadent, and yet easiest Italian desserts of all time: Zabaione, the Italian eggnog. This rich, creamy, custard-like dessert is going to blow your mind. And the best part? It only takes 10 minutes to make with just a few simple ingredients. Get ready for your new favorite holiday treat. Let's get started. Heat up some water in a saucepan over medium-low heat. We're going to use this water bath to cook our egg mixture nice and gentle. In a bowl, suitable for a water bath, add egg yolks, sugar, and liqueur. Take a whisk and mix it all together. Don't go too crazy though, we want it smooth but not whipped. Once that water is simmering away, place the bowl right on top but not touching the water. Whisk and watch as it starts to magically change before your eyes. At first, it'll be all foamy, then it'll slowly thicken up while the bubbles disappear. Keep whisking steadily, we don't want any lumps sneaking in to ruin it. When it's looking good and thick, use a thermometer to check the temperature. Around 83 degrees Celsius is perfect. If you don't have a thermometer, just watch the whisk. It should be leaving nice ribbons behind as you stir. At this point, your zabaione is ready. Serve the zabaione up right away, either hot or warm. Enjoy alongside some biscuits or chocolate. It's the perfect treat for the holidays.